With IoT Sitewise, we can seamlessly connect industrial machines and PLCs to AWS Cloud for real-time monitoring of various attributes of the industrial assets. We can create virtual representation of industrial machines in the form of models. Dashboards can be generated quickly to provide a clear view of the health of assets so maintenance can be planned and executed efficiently. In the example of WindFarm project, the dashboard displays real-time data from a wind turbine like wind speed, gearbox temperature, bearing temperature, and rotor temperature. The time series live chart is generated for each parameter, and the time duration can also be customized to view historical data from the wind turbine. Incoming data can be transformed by applying formulas and filters.